Hello, this is John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll look at Noah's Nepenthes planter. This 3D printed planter took almost 12 hours to print with my 3D Systems cube. As you saw in another video, I had a few difficulties with the support material, but this model is sound and I really enjoyed making it. Let's look at how it was made. .3D printers may be slow, but they use up a lot of material. Make sure you have plenty of material on standby whenever you want to print something. You can buy this project right now at CNCKing.com, and if you want to put it out in the garden, go ahead. I used PLA, so I probably won't be doing that because it might dissolve after a few weeks or a few months. I'll do a test and I'll get back to you. I'll see you in the next video.
Come on, baby girl, let's get it going on. I'ma hit the highway and do it my way. It ain't no game, so I don't play games. I keep it up straight, right up in your face. So make your mind up, cause life is too short. I got the best on, boy, put your belt on. So what you know, cool, like Kanye West, you be riding through the wire, and the time I get right. You the one that know, I don't want that, no. This goes up between some chicks, so slow. Hit the backseat when you're doing the little kissing, squeezing, do the damn thing, man.